Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's the Multiple Stream King, Lil Derek Williams, CEO and founder of the Paid in Full family. Hey, what's going on, y'all? Listen real quick before I get started. Let me take a sip of water. Woo! I was a little bit thirsty, right? What's going on, y'all? What's going on? Listen. Welcome to How to Make Money Online with the MSK, the Multiple Stream King. Listen, I'm going to make this short, sweet, straight to the point, because you have to take action now. All right? I got people on Facebook taking action now. And my Facebook information is below. You can look and see exactly how I done it. All right? But also, once you click on the link below, I have a little 4-minute video, giving you a little quick, short training showing you exactly what to do, how to capitalize on this and win big. All right? I'm talking about making $750 today, okay? Because the promo ends at midnight. All right, so you literally got about 6 hours, depending on what time zone you're in, 5 to 6 hours to knock this thing out the park, okay? Either way, it's free money. Download the app, link your bank issue debit card or credit card, you come out of no money, all right, and you win big, okay? I've made thousands of dollars with this opportunity time and time again. My apologies for telling you all so late. Like, I literally have a lot of things that's set on autopilot, all right? And this is one of those free apps that I have used literally over a year ago, all right? And because it's on YouTube, people are seeing my information, seeing my content, and they're getting started. And so I had a young lady get started 2 days ago, and it said I made $15 when she started. I was like, whoa, 15? All right, because you normally make $5 for any time you refer someone to it, all right? And then anytime they run the promo, all right, you take advantage of the promo. But the promo is going on right now, all right? It's nothing but a cashback app, all right? So you get cash back everywhere you spend money. Whatever debit card you link to this thing, all right, if you go spend money at whatever places that's connected to it, say for instance, all right, you go get gas at Exxon. Exxon is linked to this Cash App account, boom, you're going to get cash back. All right, all the restaurants that you eat at. All right, if it's linked to the Dash account, you get cash back. Wherever you go shop, from the Foot Lockers, all right, to the dealers, to the Macy's, you name it. All right, if it's linked to the account, you get cash back. All right, now listen, please, you all, do not make this hard. Okay, because I got some people on Facebook that are already making this hard. It's free. Free 99. Okay? You have to link your bank issue debit card or credit card in order to start to promote and gain profit. All right? It's simple. You won't be charged. Trust me. I've been a part of this program for over a year, and I've made thousands with it. Okay? Going to continue to make money with it. The choice is yours. It's up to you. It's free. All right? And I really do this for a lot of the people who are following me, all right, and want to get involved with my primary businesses, but don't have the upfront capital. Well, there's a way for you to go and get that money for free. It's all about not stop making excuses and going for it. All right, I know I'm talking to somebody who's not making excuses, but for those 5 or 6 or 7 people, all right, out of 100, that's going to hit me with the excuse, cut it. All right, cut the excuses. All right, and just get busy. All right, today, right now, click on the link, follow the instructions. All right, get your referral link, go to all your social media platforms, and get to work. Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, YouTube, you name it. LinkedIn, family and friends, your contact list, from your text messages, in your phone book. Shoot them a message. It's free. All right? You can make money or you can make excuses, but I promise you, you cannot do both. All right, so I told you I'm gonna keep this short and sweet. Click on the link. It's the Multiple Stream King. Y'all stay tuned. Tomorrow I'm going to be dropping some more information about my primary opportunity. So if you go kill it with this today, we can talk more business and big business tomorrow. But this is big business right here, y'all. We talking about $750, man, that you can make today, and you'll see how once you click on the link. Okay, watch my little 4-minute video over there, and then go ahead and follow the instructions and get started. See y'all on the inside. It's your boy.